Thank you for coming to Storytime at the Everman Public Library. Today's poem is Summertime by Anonymous. Follow along with the story below. I love to hear the little birds that caroling in the trees. I love the gentle babbling of the stream. I love the evening breeze. Comprehension questions. What are the little birds doing? What is the stream doing? What is happening in the evening? Vocabulary: caroling, songs of joy. Gentle, something that is soft and mild. Babbling, to speak without making sense. Evening, the time of day between late afternoon and nighttime. Breeze, a light or gentle wind. Answers to the comprehension questions are in the description below. Thank you for coming to Storytime at the Everman Public Library. We look forward to seeing you again.